Are you struggling with slow internet speeds, outdated systems, frequent software crashes, or worries about cyber attacks like ransomware and data breaches? We understand your frustration. If you can relate this, then let me introduce you to Compushooter Managed IT, where we make business IT stuff easy. My name is Joel Chumulak, founder and CEO of Compushooter. What sets us apart is our proactive approach. Instead of just fixing problems as they arise, we focus on preventing them altogether. Think of us as the firefighters who prevent fires rather than just fighting or putting them out. We just tackle the three most common IT problems inside your business: unorganized data cabling, inadequate network security, outdated PC maintenance, and employee mistakes. Let us take care of your IT headaches so you can take care of your business.